Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about good habits from general knowledge. Children, good habits are healthy habits. We all should have good habits. Yes, children, good habits are very important life skills because a person who has good habits makes success in life. Okay, children? Yes. Now, children, let's see the good habits that we all should follow. Wake up early in the morning. What this means? You should wake up early in the morning. You should not sleep for much time in the morning. Okay, children? Yes, when mama wakes you up in the morning, how many of you all say, Mama, let me sleep for some more time? Yes, you all say like that. You should not say like that. You should get up quickly. Okay, children? You should wake up early in the morning. You should not sleep for much time in the morning. Okay? Yes. Then pray to God. We all should pray to our God. We should take blessings of God. We all should thank God for whatever we all are having. Okay, you should pray to God daily. Wear clean clothes. That means, children, you should wear clean clothes. You should not wear dirty and unwashed clothes. When you will wear dirty clothes, what will happen? You will not look tidy. Yes? Yes. So, you should always wear clean and washed clothes. Okay? Then do exercise daily, which is very important because daily exercise keeps us fit and healthy. So we should do exercise daily. Okay. Always stand and sit erect. What this means, children? Whenever you are standing, you should stand straight. Okay, erect means straight. And when you are sitting, that time also you should sit straight. You should not sit bending downwards. Okay, you should stand and sit erect. That means stand and sit straight. You all can see over here. This boy, he is standing straight. Yes, children? Yes. Whereas this boy, he is bending forward. Yes, he is not standing straight. So, this posture is the correct posture, whereas this is the wrong one. You should always stand straight. Here also you can see, children, this girl is sitting straight, whereas this girl is not sitting straight. She is bending. Yes, you should always sit straight, children. When you will bend and sit, what will happen, you all know? You can get back pain. So, always stand and sit erect. Erect means straight. You should always stand and sit straight. Eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food. We should not eat much of junk food because eating lot of junk food can make us sick. Yes. So to keep away many diseases, we should eat healthy food, children, like fruits, vegetables, milk. Okay. So we should eat healthy food to stay fit and healthy. The next one is go to school on time. We should go to school on time. We should never be late to school. Yes, children, we have to reach school on time. You should get up early in the morning, get ready, have your breakfast, and reach school on time. You should never be late to school. Okay? Yes. Do your homework every day. Children, your teacher gives you homework, right, children? Yes, whenever your teacher gives you homework, you have to do your homework. You should not keep your homework for the next day. You should do your homework that day itself. You should take out your books properly and carefully from your bag and complete your homework that day itself. Okay, children, you should not trouble your parents. Okay? Yes. Is go to bed early at night. That means you should sleep early at night. You should not be awake for long time at night. Many children sit and watch television at night for long time. Yes, you should not do that. You have to sleep early at night. Then only you will get up early in the morning. Right, children? So from now on, you all will go to bed early at night and get up early in the morning. Okay, children? Yes. Now, children, let's see 5 golden words. You all know what are the 5 golden words? They are sorry, thank you, excuse me, please, and may I. These are the 5 golden words. Children, the first one is sorry. Now, when we say sorry, when we hurt someone by mistake, then we have to say sorry. If you hurt your friend by mistake, what you will say? You will say sorry to your friend. Okay? Or when you drop something or break something at home. Yes, when you do any mistake, you say sorry, right? See, this boy has dropped the flower vase with his ball. So what he will do, you all know? He will say sorry to mama for whatever wrong he has done. So whenever you do any mistake or whenever you hurt someone by mistake, you have to say sorry. What you will say, children? Sorry. Okay? Yes. The next one is thank you. When we have to say thank you? When we get something from someone. Okay? When we get a gift from someone. When someone gives you gift. What you will say? You will say thank you. Or whenever your friend shares any of his things with you, then you have to say thank you. Okay? Whenever your friend shares a toy or a book or anyone gives you anything, you have to say thank you. Okay? When your parents give a gift on your birthday, then you have to thank your parents also. You should say thank you mama, thank you papa. Okay, children? Yes. The next one is please. Now, when we have to say please, when we want something from someone, we have to say please. Okay, when you are hungry, when you want food, then what you will say to your mama? Mama, please give me some food. Yes? Yes. So, when we want something from someone, we have to say please. Okay. The next is excuse me. When we want someone's attention, that time we have to say excuse me. We should not go directly and interrupt someone. First we have to say excuse me and then we have to speak to that person. Okay, children? When someone is standing in the middle of the way and you want to walk on that way, that time also you have to say excuse me. And then you have to go. You should not push that person and go. You will say excuse me and then you will go. Okay, children? And whenever we sneeze or cough or yawn, we have to say excuse me. Okay? Yes. The last one is may I. Okay? Now when we have to use may I? Whenever we want to ask permission of someone, we have to say may I. Okay, children. Like whenever you want to watch TV, you will ask your mama, right? Mama, may I watch the TV? Yes, yes, children. You have to ask like that. You have to take permission. Then in class, when you are thirsty, what you will ask your teacher? Teacher, may I drink water? Yes. Or if you want to go to washroom, then what you'll ask your teacher? Teacher, may I go to washroom? Yes, children. So whenever you ask someone's permission, you have to say, may I. Okay, children. So, what are the 5 golden words that we have learned, children? Sorry, thank you, please, excuse me, and may I. Children, these are the 5 golden words that you have to use. Okay, children? Yes. Now, children, let's sing a song. You all have to sing along with the teacher. Okay, children? Yes. When you want something, what will you say? What will you say? I will say please. I will say please. That's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. When you get something, what will you say? What will you say? I will say thank you. I will say thank you. That's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. When you hurt someone, what will you say? What will you say? I will say sorry. I will say sorry. That's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. When you sneeze or cough, what will you say? What will you say? I will say excuse me. I will say excuse me. That's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. When you want to come in the class, what will you say? What will you say? I will say may I. I will say may I. That's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. Okay, nice, children. So you all also should follow these 5 golden words. Okay, children? Yes. Now, children, let's have a quick recap session. What good habits should we follow? We should wake up early in the morning. Say, children, we should wake up early in the morning. Pray to God. Pray to God. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Do exercise daily. Do exercise daily. Always stand or sit erect. Always stand or sit erect. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Go to school on time. Go to school on time. Do our homework every day. Do our homework every day. Go to bed early at night. Go to bed early at night. Okay, children. So, we all have to follow all these good habits to make success in life. Okay, children. We'll meet in another session. Thank you.